They don't breathe, they don't blink, and they don't hesitate. Drones have redefined modern warfare. What once took a squad of soldiers now takes a silent machine, flying thousands of miles away. At first, drones were just eyes in the sky, watching, tracking, guiding missiles from above. But today, they strike. The MQ-9 Reaper can stay airborne for 40 hours, hovering, hunting, and hitting targets with precision Hellfire missiles. No pilot on board, no warning, just impact. And now, the battlefield is changing again. Swarm drones, fast, cheap, autonomous, launched by the hundreds, able to overwhelm tanks, jam radars, and destroy everything in their path. Land, air, sea, even underwater. Drones are everywhere. The US, China, Russia, Iran. Every nation is racing to build smarter, deadlier, more independent drone fleets. Some fly in stealth. Some explode on impact. Some don't need a human to decide when to fire. Because now, AI decides. The line between soldier and software is disappearing. War isn't just boots on the ground anymore. It's code in the sky. The age of drones isn't coming. It's already here.